But na thutha wa kugumira cikaro cia kamiti itiganite cia bunge ya Senate, Ngavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja muthiaini ni atite thamaji ya kamiti ya uigithia na kahindini gaka thutha wa kurikia giikaro kiu ni hindi arariria andiki a mohoro. Reke tuhanyuke mwena wa bunge ya Senate tuigue uria Senator Ngavana aroiga thutha wa giikaro kiu.
Those who destroyed businesses, we have buildings that burnt in the city. At some point, these people were preventing our fire engines from coming out of the fire station on Tomboya Street, and that is why some of those buildings really went down. And I want to thank the young people, because you have seen, you saw the Senate yesterday. We saw the stance that now leaders are taking, that it has created an opportunity for deep reflection and action by government. I was very happy to see people refusing vehemently salary increments. That has never happened in the Republic of Kenya. And really we need to be prudent in our use of these resources, because the leadership is a trust from the people on their behalf.
All right, so Governor, two questions from me. One of them is the extent of the damage at City Hall and how much that is going to cost the county to repair. And also, what is the county going to do to help those businesses that were looted during this protest?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. The damage at City Hall, our insurance provider is assessing the extent of that damage. Fortunately, we have insured all our properties. You saw that they also burnt down our mobile recording studio. There's a 40-foot mobile recording studio that was at Uhuru Park, costing I think around 60-something million shillings. That goes around and to the different sub-counties. It was burnt down. It was also insured, fortunately, so there's no additional cost on us as a county or on taxpayers. The damage to businesses, it becomes very difficult to quantify because they also have their arrangements. We'd love to support, and I'm sure you saw, even during this protests, we had our ambulances all across the city, our medics. I waived all the fees at our public hospitals, that is Mbagathi, Mama Lucy, Pumwani, Mutuini, and all the facilities of the county. We've gotten those reports from our CEOs, not because we are supporting protests, but because we acknowledge the right of expression that is sacrosanct in our constitution. It is true, I have received a request for a concert, a peace concert, to be done at Uhuru Park. I see no problem with it. Because if it is that genuine expression, it is good. First of all, Uhuru Park belongs to Kenyans and Nairobians. It doesn't belong to me. I am just a steward over that resource. I know it is currently an active crime scene. I hope the DCI will conclude. It is very fortunate that we have CCTV footage from City Hall of those who came and burnt it down. I've seen frivolous accusations, but those who are caught on camera, so one of them works in an MP's office in Nairobi. One of them works in an MP's office. They'll have to answer. The MP who sent them or the politicians who sent them will actually have to answer for that damage to public property. It is not... Fortunately, again, the fire didn't damage a lot of, records because we are digital. Our county, everything is digital. Payments are digital. We store it in the cloud and in our servers. But just that act of a symbol of authority that belongs to the people of Nairobi being attacked in that manner was completely unfortunate, and it was wrong. And so we will still support that expression. That concert is in honor of young people who we lost, people who died. It is good to honor them and their families and really see what support we can give to them. Personally, I will attend. Because these are my constituents. These are residents of Nairobi.
Ucio ni Ngavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja agitucorera mbica ya wanangi uria utafanitio muciini munene wa Nairobi ni mirurungano iria muthenya wa muthi ireregerirwo kuhanika no ndinathie na mbere.